Closing is not a sin, and it's not unprofessional. It's not wrong either. It's a necessary part of helping prospects do what they need and frankly want to do but won't do, except that you help them take that last step. They actually need your help. You know, if you don't close seriously, you are not serving your prospects or yourself. If you don't close the deal, your prospect does not benefit from your advice or your product. You do not serve them. So think serve, not sell when closing. Think serve, not sell when closing. You know, closing the deal was always a necessary part of selling, but you know, the further we get away from a professional sales process in this industry, the less likely advisors are to actually say and do what they need to so prospects buy, so they advantage themselves. Some of us even think that we just analyze situations, provide options, and miraculously, people buy the right thing for themselves at the right time, solely on their own. The trouble is that if you don't ask them to buy, well, they don't. They thank you for your time. They want to think about it. They want another opinion, maybe. They ask you to call back another time. And so you wait. Maybe forever. You see, closing does not have to be some sort of slick deal either. You know, some sexy line that you use to make people putty in your hands and they buy whatever you recommend. Not at all. The simplest close is the easiest. Just naturally assuming that after you've explained their situation and their opportunity, the nature of your product and service, and how it makes their lives and financial security better, that they have already bought. Please, don't make them ask you to sell it to them. Start the paperwork. Make them stop you from helping them buy it. You see, you want to lead them where they ought to go, where they want to go. Ultimately, they will thank you for it. God bless. We'll see you again next week. In the meantime, hey, just go be amazing.